Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Queendom. So guys, this episode starts off with Undando. She is in her bedroom, guys, wearing her PJs, her pajamas, and you can see Shame, she's really not having Shame this week. I've been saying with this week, guys, there's not been for Undando. She is going through the most, guys. So Vincent Chige Upravi walks in and then he's like, guys, he's carrying a cup of tea. He says tea that your mother really liked. Guy says like ngiyabonga. Then Upravi is like, chamomile tea, I think it will make you feel better. But you can see Shemukai say she doesn't even have the strength to smile, you guys. Upravi takes her hand, he holds her hand and is like, ngiyafisa ukuthi ngabe mhlambe khona into engingabusho or something that I could do to help in the situation that we are facing right now. You can see Ugai says shame, guys, her eyes were teary. Ukuthi naye nje, she doesn't even know what to do in the situation. Everything, guys, is just nyaga nyaga. Upravichi says ukuthi kodwa uzolunga ngane yami. Next thing we see this very same people ukayise beno Pravi, they are in the kitchen and they are having breakfast. So as they're having breakfast, Untando's like, Babu, right? And then Vincent says, yeah, no, unke right. Hey, nalo kukudla nje akungeni. And then she asks, Kuti, have you taken your medication? Uthathile medication yakho? Upravi's like, yeah, like Shampi, I should just go and lie down because I don't feel too well. So he gets up and then he goes to the room. As he's getting up, he goes to the room. Untando's phone rings and it's Umtebo. And I'm just wondering, Umtebo funani? Untando, like, what does he want from her? Untando says, hello. She answers the phone and she's like, hello. And then I was like, I love guys. I'm like, get off of your high horse. Untando's like, who's king? Abo. And then I was like, how? Guys, Untabo is such a character. Untando, yes, says Uti, and Yinaksizangan. Then Unabo says, yes, Untando, guys, you are well over your head at KRS. Uyakwazi lokho? Untando's like, over my head at KRS, ukhuluma ngani? Ebo says, let me do you a favor. Let me do you a favor. Ngiyawehlisa esikhundleni sakho namhlanje. And then he goes on to say ukuthi usuphoshiwe emsebenzini ke. Untando's like, uyangiqosha on what grounds? Then I says, do I have to spell it out for you, Ntando Gaise? You are incompetent, okay? Umoshe yonke into emsebenzini we. Umoshe yonke into wena emsebenzini. My company, inkampani yami nje, imoshekile ngenxa yakho nje. Untando's like, I made a mess. Ngimosheni mina, what did I ruin? I was like, abantu bayagula hawu usho ukuthini ukuthi abantu bayagula hawu usho ukuthini ukuthi umosheni. The Dululu in Umcebo that he's always saying ukuthi abantu bayagula, yet he knows ukuthi he's the reason for that. I'm just like, this guy is cuckoo, guys. Untando then says, hi, you see now, my king, this is where education is very important, because what you'd be doing is contravening of the Act of 188 of the CCMA, which would cost you a pretty penny and have me reinstated by the end of the week. I was like, blah, 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 blah. Angikufonela ukuthi uzongifundisa la. Ngikufonela ukuthi ngikutshela ukuthi uqoshiwe emsebenzini. Uqoshiwe. Bye bye. And then he hangs up the phone like that. Untana's like, hello, hello, hello. Your guys, because like the thing is, he's king. He does have the upper hand. And at the same time, I'm just like, what about Ubanzi's? Well, yo, guys. Anyway, guys, next thing, hi boy, eTsakane, we see Umashesha. He is doing an interview. There's people baseTsakane who are surrounding him there. I'm like, whoa, Umashesha uthini manje? Umashesha's like, well, untando kayise, she tried to be a steering, wabo. She tried to be a steering, yeah, kanti she was poisoning the community of Itsakane. So then the interviewer, the journalist asked, what does the counselor mean by poisoning? Umashesha's like, hey, Sisi, people are sick here. People are running to the toilets by a huta at the moment because of the water from KRS that they got from Tandogaise. I'm just like, yo, guys, are you know when they say when it rains and pours this week for Untando, I shame. And then Mashasha's like, yeah, you can ask anyone. Ask anyone here. And then the crowd says, yes, yes, yes. He goes on to say, people were in a good state until they drank the water from KRS. Then the reporter asked Guti, they had the water because they were desperate, am I right? And then Umashesha says, yeah, they were desperate, but I was in the process of organizing water trucks up until this Ntondagaise man. Hey, yazi, she's chachara man. She intervened, and then this whole thing backfired. I'm just like, asazinga loko, because of the word on the street is that when Umashesha, as a counsel, you haven't been delivering for a while, sir. Then the reporter says, did Councillor Mashesha maybe try to get in contact with Untandogaise so that she can maybe explain herself and what happened? Mashesha's like, yeah, I tried, but there was no reasoning with this lady, man. Do you know that she lives with the criminal? Do you know that? I'm just like, The reporter's like, a criminal? What do you mean by a criminal, sir? Mashesha's like, oh, Utabang, the boyfriend of Untandogaise. He stole from the very same KRS that Untandogaise works for. The reporter's like, does the councillor maybe know what he stole from KRS? Mashesha's like, oh, well, that you can ask her yourself. Then the reporter says, oh, most certainly we will do that, sir. Mashesha's is like, Sisi, Mina, I'm for the people, man. I'm for the people, you know. The reporter says, the same people that you saying you for the people, the same people that would rather have you out. Councillor Mashesha, rumor has it that your people would rather have you replaced by Miss Mtombeni. Mashesha like, no, but the people are sick now. People are running to the toilets. We will see if they still want. If we will, he says it would. We will see if they still want that when they come out. When they come out of the toilet, we will see if they still want. Untandogaise to still be the new councillor or what, or when they come out of what, Angazi. But then the reporter says, we most certainly will see some. Then Umashesha's like, yeah, as I said, madam, I'm for the people, and Mina, I will always be for the people. Then the crowd around Umashesha's like, yes, yes, yes. Just like, yup. I get next to Untando, she's at work, guys. She is working on her laptop there. And then she gets a phone call from Umambata. Umambata, remember, she is Uflora, the neighbor that came and stayed with Upravin. So Untando's like, Mambata, she answers the phone, she's like, Mambata, is everything okay? Unjani ubaba? Then Umambata says, Vula, i-national news channel, kukhulunywa ngawe laphayana. Untando's like, ngami. Okay, ngiyabonga ma. She goes on her laptop, presses her laptop. She goes on to their channel. Guys, it's Umcebo on an interview, live on an interview. Umcebo saying, emva sonke lesi siphithiphithi caused by uMs Mtombeni, akukho kunye engingakwenza besides ukumxosha emsebenzini. He is announcing ukuthi umxoshile in front of the whole country, guys. And then Untando's like, let me go. Like she's watching and she's asking herself questions. She's like, Asha, let me go. Then Umcebo says ukuthi umphakathi waseTsakani uyagula ngenxa yakhe. My question is, why ungakhuluma ngomphakathi waseKhahlamba ukuthi nabo bayagula? You busy talking about eTsakani. So anyway, he's like, umphakathi waseTsakani uyagula ngenxa yakhe. She dropped the ball on this one. Not only did she cost the company money, kodwa wehlise nesithunzi sase-KRS. Untando's like, amanga lawo, as if Umcebo can hear her from the screen. And then the journalist asked Ebo a question. She's like, ngiyakholwa ukuthi uMs Mthombeni bekangazi inhlobo nge-corporate. And then Ebo says, lutho nje lutho. Then the journalist says, ukuthi yingakho-ke, you should have held her hand and showed her the ropes. Untando's like, held my hand for what? What can he help me with? Like, really? Abaza kuMs Mthombeni uvele wazenzela intando yakhe ezithathela izinqumo yedwa. Then the journalist is like, umbeka kanjani umuntu engazi umsebenzi wakhe abe yi-CEO of a whole company. Then I was like, well, my hands were tied on that one. The journalist says, njani? Eba says, it was my father who made her CEO in his will, so mina nje bengizama ukuhlonipha ikhehla. Untando then says ukuthi that's because ukuthi ebekwazi ukuthi ungumuntu onjani ubaba wakho. That's why he didn't put you as CEO. Eba's like, kuyacaca nje ukuthi it was just all a mistake. Then Untando's like, a big mistake yani. Guys, she just slams the laptop, closes the laptop, buries her face in her hands, and she just screams, guys. And I'm like, yo, Aisha Muntan. Next scene, guys, we see Ubabu Nyambose. He is exiting the palace. It looks like he's going home. And then not far from him, Upoto is also going home. So Nyambose is in front. He doesn't see Upoto, and Poto is coming from behind. So Upoto's like, yo, hi. And then Nyambose turns around and he's like, oh, Upoto. Upoto's like, hey, amatekisi anqabile namhlanje. Hey bo, Nyambose, ngitshelile ukuthi ngisuke ngigijima nje erenkini ngazofika la esigodlweni. Then uNyambose is like, unamanga. Upoto's like, hayi bo ndoda ngigijimile. Angithi bengisaba ukuthi uba late. Yasazi phela isimo sala esigodlweni lately. Unyambose is like, hayi Poto, yazi, like akusiyona indlela yokusebenza le, he? Like akusiyona nje. Upoto's like, utshela mina Nyambose, utshela mina, I am feeling it as well. Unyambose says ukuthi awungitsheleke uzwile amahlebeza that's going around. Upoto's like, amahlebeza one. Unyambose is like, Poto, awona amahlebeza lana, hey. Usazoshuba la ekhahlamba ndoda. Upoto's like, uphila? Ngiyakwazi lokho. Abantu ndoda abajabulanga neze nje. Abajabulanga Nyambose. Unyambose is like, athi ngikutsheleke. Uthiwa ukuthi abantu bala ekhahlamba are plotting to have owamanzana removed from the throne. Upoto's like, hayi wena. Unyambose is like, ngiyakutshela. Poto ngikhuluma nawe manje nje insizwa ziyahlangana ziyohlanganela le ehlathini ukuze bakhuluma indaba yokuthi lo owamanzana akhishwe. And then Upoto is like, unamanga Nyambose. Unyambose is like, manje nje bathi wonke umuntu ofisa uba khona and be involved in this plot must come in numbers to the forest to have the king removed. Upoto is like, yeah? Guys, I'm just like, I really hope, because now it looks like the word is going out on the street. I really hope it does not get to Ebo or his guards or his soldiers, because they're definitely going to tell him. Yeah? Unyambose says ukuthi abantu bakhathele Poto, bakhathele. Then Upoto says ukuthi who would have known? Yazi, I'm sure owamanzi ubanzi lapha ekhoyo ayaphenduka. Nami nje, if I was him, I would have turned in the grave as well. Then he says, sis man, yazi amhlaza man lo mfana lo. Yes sis. Unyambose then says, yazi mina abanga lana Poto. Kuzomele sijoyine. Upoto that sijoyina ini, ayibo sijoyina ngaliphi Nyambose. Unyambose is like, usho ukuthini ukuthi sijoyina ngaliphi he? Uyindoda noma uphenduka igundwane. Upoto is like, Nyambose, mina nginguchefi mina. Wena, you are a gardener. Unyambose is like, manje kusho ukuthini lokho Poto? Even an ant can kill an elephant. Upoto is like, lapho ufuna ukuya khona Nyambose, ndoda, kuyafiwa. Unyambose is like, kuyafiwa. Upoto is like, kuyafiwa. Kunengozi la ofuna ukuya khona. Unyambose is like, manje kuthiwani Poto? Ngoba ubungozi nje siyakuthatha nje. Ubhoddo's like, uzofa Nyambose, uzofa. UNyambose says ukuthi ungangitsheli ngengozi wena Bhoddo. We are facing war here in the palace manje. Uzongitshela ngengozi. Kodwa-ke hayi ke ulungile Bhoddo. Continue being igwala. Ubhodwe then says ukuthi lapho kunegwala khona akunasililo ndoda akunasililo. And then uNyambose says lalela isoldier lifele empini. I'm doing this for isikolo. I'm doing this for my family. I'm doing this for you and your family. I'm not just doing it because nje kuyadlalwa nje. But anyway, uBhodwe just shakes uNyambose's hand. He's like, ndoda, umoya wami uhamba nawe, hamba kahle. I'm like, ayibo, umoya wakho awufuneki la Bhodwe. We need you there. We need everyone on board because listen, we are tired as even as the viewers. Next thing uNtando, she's at the office, guys, and she receives a call again from Umcebo. uNtando answers the phone. She's like, Miss Mtombeni, hello? Umcebo's like, awuqashanga emsebenzini wena. uNtando's like, cela ukuthi uyeke nento oyenzayo. Stop rubbishing my name on national television. Umcebo says, oh, ngiyaqhaqhazela. Yini uzokwenzani? uNtando's like, angazi, uzobona ukuthi ngenza njani. Then Umcebo's like, yazi wena, you were way over your head njenge-KRS. Ngikwenzela nje umusa by just firing you. uNtando's like, angindawo Umcebo. Your father appointed me in this position. Umcebo then says ukuthi so kesibone ngalokho ke. Then he says ukuthi ngikhohliwe nje ukubatshela umabonakude ukuthi wena ujana nesigebengu. What? Is your tongue tied now? And then uNtando's like, ngempela yini inkinga yakho Mcebo? Why interfere with my personal business? Umcebo's like, well, I make it my business to make sure that I know everything about my enemies. uNtando's like, ngikwenzeni Mcebo? Ngikwenzeni ngaka? What did I do to you to make me your enemy? Umcebo's like, iqiniso libuhlungu. Then uNokhuzana uNtando says Mcebo ukhohlakele. And that's exactly what your father saw in you. Ukuncola nje nonkohlakalo. Umcebo's like, king Mcebo to you. And then uNtando's like, ngakini, you are king ngakini. Umcebo laughs and he's like, Qhubeka packing your rubbish, uphume uphele laphayana, sesiphelile isikhathi sakho. And then he hangs up. Yo, guys. Hi, guys. Next thing we see Ubhodwe, guys. Ubhodwe's in the kitchen. He is slicing, chopping onions, and green pepper, and then he stops, but you can see he's deep in thoughts, and he's deep in thoughts about this thing Nyambose. And then he moves aside, guys. Then he starts unbuttoning his work shirt. I keep it, guys. He throws it on the floor. Oshukuti, the fact that he's throwing away his work attire, he's surrendering and maybe giving in to the fact that he's going to join Abantu Basekahlamba. He goes and takes his knives on the table, and then he sharpens his knives, and then he holds them on the side by side. Kind of like, guys, I'm sure you know that Mboro picture where he's holding those machetes, or however you pronounce it. That Mboro picture that I'm going to try and insert it here on the screen. He was standing like that, and it was just like, listen, Ubhodwe, listen to, he is ready to slice everyone who is making life hard like Kashamba. Again, next thing we see Umulapo, he is at the KRS offices and he is having a conversation with uNtando. Umulapo's like, I saw Mcebo's interview, I'm so sorry. uNtando's like, you know what? It's quite obvious that journalist is in Mcebo's pocket. She didn't even ask him any hard questions, more like none whatsoever. She says, ukuthi la manzi aqhamukapi kanti? Okhahlamba, Mcebo is the king there. Akambuzanga nothing of the sort, nothing like that. Umulapo's like, for what it's worth, your job at the foundation is still safe. uNtando's like, thanks, but I'm the CEO of this company now. Like, how did this happen? Umulapo's like, and he's the king of Kahlamba, and so technically he still has the upper hand. Look, Ntando, Ebo fights dirty. Ntando's like, yes, sis. Yes, like she is so irritated of how did things get to this point. Mulapa's like, he will not stop up until you are gone. Untando's like, so what do you suggest I do? I must step down? Umlapa's like, Ntando's like, they can't fire me without due processes. I'm the CEO of this company. They can't just fire me nje kanjalo. Umulapa's like, his fancy lawyers will bury you in paperwork and they'll drag this thing on up until kingdom come. Untando's like, then let them do that. This is my name I'm fighting for, Mulapo. My name. Mulapo's like, I understand, but come on now. Untando's like, come on what? Like, if this was your name being dragged through the mud, what would you do? It's my name and my character, my dignity. I will fight for my name, Mulapo. I will fight for my name. Ngizolwela igama lami mina. As she's saying that, guys, the door just swings open and two men who are dressed in a black on black walk in. Untando's like, nginganisiza ngani nina? Because they just open the door abruptly. Then the one guy says, oh, Amanzi asked us to escort you out of the building. Untando's like, I told Ebo angiyindawo. As she's saying that, those guys are moving close, saying that they want to escort her or carry her out of there. Umlapa's like, hold on, wait. Like, I will speak to Amanzi. Please leave her. Untando's like, Mulapa ngiyabonga. I don't need your help with this. Qala ukuthi nitshele inkosi yenu, le nkosi yenu Ebo, uthi I'm not going anywhere. He can drown himself for all I care. Although God says like to say we don't wanna do it the hard way. Can you just comply with what we're asking you to do? I get anyway. Lapa says, Ntando, this is not going to end well. Please. Then he looks at the gentleman. He's like, gentlemen, please wait. Please wait. And then they just go to her. Bam bam. The guys, I Ntando nengane lapha. She's like, let go of me. Please let go of me. Then Bami again. She's like, I can walk out myself. Thank you. Then she just walks out. I'm like, yeah. Next thing we see, Sanusi and Utalukolo, they are in the forest. They are having a conversation. Usamis is like, when, like, speaking of I will really chased you out of the palace. And then Lokuzan Talukolo says, Abnandaba Loko. He's just got a meaningless victory for now. Uyabona Tubindaba, when you dig a grave for someone, dig two graves because let's be a lako. Usanus is like, hey, uneluifa elimnyama hanging over Kashamba, hanging over the Kashamba throne. He goes on to say, he shouldn't have been king or even in the line to be king. Utanukala like, how? Ukanisile yazintwana. He goes on to say, silahlekele ngabantu abaningi in such a short space of time. These are signs that indicate that abaphansi abajabulile nje. Usanusi says ngempela. He then says ukuthi ngokweqiniso, I think that you would make a great honorable king regent, meaning that Usanusi is saying to Tarukalu ukuthi ungabalibamba, like you could be a good person who could be standing in the kingship or the throne up until we get someone who's going to take the throne and be the king or the queen. Then Utalukolo is like, how ngiyabonga Tubindaba. Then Tubindaba-ke Usanusi says ukuthi kodwa abaphansi they are unhappy. Things are not aligned according to the spirits. Utalukolo is like, how? Usho ukuthi abaphansi bayangala nani? Usanusi then says ukuthi abungawe, meaning that it's not about you. Inkosi uBanzi yona who changed the course of Kashamba. He changed the course of the Kashamba lineage ngenkathi entshontsha indawo kaMlondolozi u-Andile. Utalukolo is like, how? UMlondolozi u-Andile was kidnapped nje. USanusi is like kidnapped by uBanzi himself benofunga ingozi. uBanzi uyena owashintsha ukulandelana wabantwana meant to sit on the throne. So hence you were saying Umcebo was never even supposed to be part of the people who were supposed to be on the throne because his father was never even supposed to be. It's supposed to be Andile and Untando and her children going forth. UDanuxolo is like, how? Dubintaba, kusho ukuthi sinenkinga-ke la ngoba nabo inkosazana yamanzi uNtondo kayise akafuni phela ukuthatha lesi sihlalo sobukhosi. USanusi is like, uyophaphama ngelinye ilanga loyo. Abaphansi angeke bamvumele ukuthi alahle the very reason why she was born. As he's speaking like that, uDanuxolo's phone rings. Then uDanuxolo notices that it's Untando kayise, and then he says, how? Speak of the devil. He answers the phone, he's like, Nkosazana yamanzi. Untando's like, Mlondolozi, I've carefully thought through what we were speaking about. If you think this is the right thing for me to do, Ulungile, I will take the throne. I was just like, li. But guys, it's too soon to celebrate the fact that Untando has accepted her call because listen, one thing about him, he's not going to go down without a fight. She says, Kodwa, I will only take it if I will have your support. UDanuxolo, you can see the smile on his face. On his face is like, how? Kuzokwenzeka noma kanjani nkosazana yamanzi, I will support you. He then says ukuthi nkosazana, may I ask one thing? Ukuthi ufike namhlanje ngokushesha. Untando like, namhlanje? UDanuxolo is like, yebo namhlanje, I will send you the secret location kanye nesikhathi nkosazana yamanzi. Then he says, ngiyabonga. He looks at uDubintaba, he's like, how Dubintaba? Naba abaphansi bakhulumile usendleleni inkosazana yamanzi isendleleni. And then uSanusi he goes on to praise the waters athi balondolozi bamanzi aphuthukile. uDanuxolo the side is like nina bamanzi, so they just saying the clan praises there to thank their gods, to thank their ancestors, I guess, for Untando just agreeing to this, because this means things are finally aligning. I get next thing we see uPhoto coming out of the kitchen, and he's approaching Unyambose. Unyambose is busy there with the wheelbarrow. Unyambose turns and sees uPhoto. uPhoto, guys, he's there with one knife on his left hand side, another knife on his right hand side, and you can see what he's ready to go into war. I get Unyambose is like, uPhoto, uqiniseke ukuthi ufuna uyenza lento ngoba Photo mesingayiqala lento akusekho ukubuyela emuva manje. Then Unyambose, he takes off his shirt as well, the one overall yakhe yokusebenza, he throws it on the floor. He's like, Photo, siyafa nokufa lana. Then ulokhuzana uPhoto then says, Nyambose, awunyiwe once. He's like, yini, are you trying to scare me into going with you or not going with you? Unyambose is like, cha, ngizama ukutshela ukuthi sivula omunye umnyango lana. Now that we've opened it, there's no going back and it can't be shut. Siyaphambile, Photo. And then uPhoto says, Nyambose, ngikhathele mina yokuba isicela sala ekhaya. Then Nyambose says, ukhulume njengendoda, asibangene-ke. Hayi guys, kusho ukuthi bashiya phansi umsebenzi. They are ready to fight for this kingdom, guys. Last scene, girl, we see Untando. She's on a phone call with Akane. You can see she's in the lounge area. Mambata in the background, Beno Vincent, they are sitting on the couch. Unokhuzana, Untando's on a phone call. She's on a phone call, no Sanusi. Usanusi is like, uthathe isinqumo esifanele nkosazana. Nabaphansi, they will protect you. And then Untando says ngibongile. Then they end the phone call. Untando goes and join the rest of the family. Then uPravisi says, who was that? Untando says, that was uSanusi. Then uPravisa, oh, khona kushile ngoma wakho. Then Untando says, cha, but we can't go on sitting and doing nothing like this. uPravisa, oh yeah, about that, UPI, Mr. Ngubane said that he has found a promising lead. Kodwa, this lead is leading him to Kashamba. Usendleleni uyakhona manje. Umambatha says, yo, yindaba ezimnandi ke lezo. Untando's like, I hope this lead will really help us with something. Upravi's like, Kayise man, like you must just learn to trust the process, man. Ukais is like, okay. Now I have hope, okay, that things will turn out good. She looks at Mambata. She's like, Mambata, ngiyabonga bandla. Thank you for all of your help. Ushiyekini wazokatalana siyabonga kakhulu. Futhi like yabona manje, I have hope that things will be okay noma uzobuyela la ekhaya. She then says ukuthi ngibongile ma songakhuleka ungahamba. I'm like kusho ukuthi abamtshelanga ukuthi Mambatha sekahlala lana that untando uyamkhulula. But you can see the awkwardness there. Upravi is not saying anything. He's busy laying his head on the couch and he closes his eyes. Upravi just says ukuthi uMambatha akakwazi ukuhamba njengamanje. And then he says ukuthi ngiyasha ngithi ngamanzi. Then both uMambatha and Untando, they get up in an attempt to get him water. Upravi says yekelani ngizozitholela wona amanzi. He gets up, but you can see he's struggling, guys, to get up from that couch. As he's struggling to get up from that couch, Untando's like, Motabanga baba, BP, or like what is it that's making you like derailing your healing process? Upravi is like, hey, angazi guys, uzoba right kodwa, and then he walks off. Untando looks at Umambatha and she's like, uqonda ukuthini ubaba ukuthi awukwazi ukuhamba? Umambatha just says ukuthi it's just as he said. Aphume would like to say, it's not my place to tell you. Le kitchen, guys, Upravi, he's about to open the fridge and then he just drops, guys. He just falls, faints, but he's unconscious. Untando no Mambatha, they run to the kitchen. Untando's like, Baba. Omunya's like, Mtombeni, trying to wake him up, and that's how it ends, guys. Yo, guys, hi. It has been a hectic week, guys. I feel like it's just been a stressful week. Listen, Untando, 0 points. It's about 2 points. So it's a 2-0 type of situation, guys. Asikwa right. But anyway, let's park it here. Tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.